Okay, today we're gonna see if China is creating the cloud killer Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro, which we can now use for free using Cline. And because I have a company today, we're gonna build a game for babies. Let's see how it's gonna handle it. We're gonna go to Visual Studio Code, create a new folder, Xiaomi test game. And here on the models, you can see straight away that we can choose Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro, and it has 1 million context window. So let's test it now with Cline. We can use it for free. I'm gonna click plan mode first and tell what I want to create. And after that, let's see how it's gonna perform. Okay, so I want to create a baby game for the PC, which is gonna be really interactive with sound, colors, and etc. And baby has to just click whatever key on the keyboard, and I have to click a combination, for example, in the keyboard in order to lock the screen. So even if the baby hits every button, it's not gonna go out and to be able to do anything on the PC, so to delete something or do something else. So it has to change screens or pop something, whatever you're gonna suggest. Make it super fun and interactive. Okay, now we're sending our prompt, and let's see how it's gonna go. It is now going to the plan mode. Okay, we have our plan, baby keyboard fun. So every key press is gonna trigger colorful animations, features, and etc. And it is asking me now technology preference, sound style, cartoon sounds, visual style, exit combination, Control Shift X. Okay, the exit combination to be Control Shift and X, and sound, visual style, and technology preference, I'm leaving it to you, whatever you prefer, but make it really good, diverse, and to have a lot of versions and interactive, and all of the options to be included. Okay, and it is Xiaomi is working quite good. Yesterday on the live call, I saw that Xiaomi is out. I didn't know that it is for free on Cline. So now it's asking me just to click the act mode. I'm clicking act, and it's gonna start working. And I have built a couple of landing pages and websites with it, and it was really good. Let me show you one of the test pages that I have built with one prompt. It was perfect with all the interactions and etc. This was the first web page that I've told it to build, and look, straight away, welcome to Cline. It is writing even this animated stuff, explore my powers, because I said make a web page that is gonna show your powers, what you can do. And look, read wild files, but it is talking about Cline, not Xiaomi, because it didn't understand me, I think. But it's showing all of the futures, communication, specializations. These are my skills, and it has used these skills that I have and listed them here. Why to choose Cline instead of Codex or Codium? I said Cloud Code, but anyway. And it is making this. And the background is that when I said you have to include the path that we can make first $100, for example, with you. And it said that we can do landing pages, commerce, e-commerce sites, bug fixing, digital products, consulting, and everything is looking really good. And it's showing even the days, the timeline. And here, the week one setup, create profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, portfolio, first clients, and scale up. see me in action. And here, this is animated as well. What you just saw, real code execution, file creation, and etc. Ready to build and learn more. And get started. We can click learn more, home. Everything is working. It looks really good. And it is quite cheap. I saw in Cline, one input tokens for 1 million is $1, and for 1 million output tokens is $3. But on some of the benchmark is near Anthropic's Claude, Opus, and etc. So it looks promising, and it works really fast. You can see that the files are almost created, and we have spent only 40,000 from our tokens, and now it's gonna test the game. Okay, it's gonna launch the game now. Named it baby game. Yes. I have just clicked it, and now it says press any key to play. So let's see if he's gonna be able to play the game. Okay, start, Arki. He's checking now what is happening. Let's go. And it's easy to play because it's only clicking whatever. Animals are popping up. It looks good. Okay, the background is changing. Enough. What was the Control Shift X? Okay, game unlocked. Press OK to exit. Yeah, so everything is working, and it made it really quick. You can see we can build a lot of other things, and now go and install Cline extension from extensions of Visual Studio Code Cline. Just make a registration. I'm not affiliated or anything. I just use Cline usually for the free models. And when you come, it's going to be on your left side as Claude Code is. But I've just moved it to my right side on Visual Studio. When you click Cline and click models, for API provider, just click Cline. And on the free models, you're going to see Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro. So I have tested it for website and now for this game, which is not that complex thing, but it's working really good and making the web pages look good, like good visuals, fonts, and etc. I have just tested to make a new page for me. Let me show you. And I've told it to make 3 different style of pages. So this was the first one. You can see just a simple page, and we can make the case studies, blogs, and etc. to work. This is modern tech. It's the same thing with different colors, different animations, but if I add assets, for example, like images and etc., it's going to be able to use them. And professional clean with light background, contact, these animated numbers and etc. And that's it. I'm still exploring it, but I'm going to explore it for some complex coding tasks, and I'm going to make new videos. And if you want to see some special projects to use Xiaomi Mimo, V2 Pro. Just you can write down in the comments, and let's add some new features here, and we're gonna finish the video. Can you add some animal sounds as well? For example, when some animal appear, uh, it has to make the animal sound as well. You can find maybe some pictures or something, or letters of the animals, or to say the animal name and etc. Whatever you suggest, just improve it. Let's see what it's gonna make, but as you can see, it is working really quick. And I haven't tested to reach like more than 500,000 tokens, for example, to see if the context is gonna rot that much. But I think now these new models that are coming are gonna give a lot of push to GPT and Claude and all of the other models to start building even more quicker and upgrading, because these models are much cheaper than them, and if they work at 95% of them, it's gonna be crazy good. Okay, let's see what kind of sounds it's gonna make. Oh. Now it's gonna add methods to play animal sounds and show animal names. Okay. Sound frequencies is gonna put some frequencies, not the real animal sounds. So for real animal sounds, we have to maybe download animal files or something. Okay, it is updating the README document, and the changes are gonna be done. And this is lifetime. Okay, yeah, it's done. 80 plus new animals, random animal appearances, full documentation, and etc. Okay, double click or use local server. So what else you can do is just click right live server, and let's see. Okay, now I'm giving the boss to play again. Come on. Ah, but start button is working. He found the bug again. The start button is still working. Okay. Play. You're not clicking anything. As you can see, there are no animal sounds. And it's easy to play. You can just hold your hand and that's it. Okay. Control Shift X. Let's see. And when we press OK, it's gonna go out. Okay, this is gonna be from this video. I think it's gonna be an interesting one. Now with 1 million context window and that agentic capability, we're gonna be able to use it in to build our tasks like new applications and etc. I'm gonna test it now, and whatever you want to see, just write down in the comments. And if you want to hang out together and learn how you can make your first money with AI-powered automations or applications and systems, you can join the community from the link below, and see you in there. Thank you. See you.